this has ever happened to you, it happens all the time on these old trucks. Today we're going to go through and we're going to show you how to put a new door handle on a Ford Ranger. Okay, let's get started. Visor, because we're going to use a die grinder. Hearing protection, got some gloves. We're going to grind down the rivets in an X pattern. Once they're both X'd, just going to knock the pin back in it, the door handle will fall off, and then we'll come back and we'll show you how to put the new one on. Just have to pick up on the door panel. Pops right off real nice and clean. Pull back the sticky tape. Splash guard. Alright, now we're inside the door. There's your pieces. And before, clean out any crap down here. This door. That's a little part that you have to hook the new one into. So let's go grab the new one. Okay, here's what this inside door hook looks like. Let me back up a little bit. Okay, this is the part on top up here that hooks into the door handle. This part down here, this rod clips into your latch, and that's what opens it. This little clip is what holds this little rod to the latch. Now, you buy about 30 of these because every one that you have to take off, they're all brittle and they break, and it's a big pain. So we keep a bunch of these. I can't really see where all this is behind this, so it doesn't do me a lot of good to film this part, but I'm going to get the door handle on the rod inside the door. We're going to get the rod attached to the latch with the little clip, and we'll be right back. And voila, works just like new. And there's your rivets underneath there if you can see them. So overall, not so bad. A little futzy. Anybody can do this. The big thing you need is that dude right there for the 1/4 inch rivets. Other than that, have a good one. Thanks.